And there you go, guys. As you can clearly see, we've got a free 12-month Disney Plus subscription, absolutely free. Watch this video till the end to learn how I did it. Alright, so first you need to open your web browser and go to this site called bonzo-code.com. Make sure you type it correctly. Okay, as you can see here, we can choose lots of coupon codes for free. Let's look for the Disney subscription codes. Alright, here it is, tap on it. Now here you can see we can get a free 12-month Disney subscription coupon code. What you need to do here is click on the Show Coupon Codes button. As you can see, the coupon codes are hidden. We need to unlock them. Press on Unlock Code and please wait till this tool does its magic. Alright, now here we need to complete any 2 tasks to unlock the codes. It's very easy, just follow me. What you have to do is download and open any of these 2 apps and run them for a minimum of 30 seconds. Each offer has its own conditions, so read them carefully and make sure you fulfill them properly, otherwise it won't work. Let's go ahead and complete one of the offers and follow all its requirements. I'll speed up this part of the process since it may take a bit of time. Once the offer has been downloaded, make sure to open and run it as instructed. This step is very important, so always make sure to do it right. As you can see, the offer has now been successfully completed. Let's close this and get back to the verification step. Now please reload this page and wait. And there you go. Now click on Show Coupon. And boom, as you can see, we've unlocked the coupon code successfully. Now what you need to do is go to the Disney Plus redeem code page. I'll comment down the link below. Now here, let's add the code we got. Let me type it fast. A2E3RF6HG61. Let me recheck. Okay, it's perfect. Now let's redeem it. And there you go, guys. As you can clearly see, we've got a free 12-month Disney Plus subscription. Absolutely free. So that's how you can get a Disney Plus subscription by using our website. Thanks for watching.